Yeah, this decoration is that can eat a cake.
Chippy! Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now in the 2020, I come like birthday one of the most important thing. I can't remember no year where birthday was this significant, where people like actually celebrate and, you know what I mean, show off for them birthday or show up. I not say show off like them going away upon people or them with it, but when I say show off, you know what I mean, they actually, you know, acknowledge say yeah them birthday and them do this or do that or whatever them can do. Cause you know everybody they on quarantine and lockdown. So and I don't know big party I keep, but we do see the artists them must celebrate and a bunch of birthday go on and some are forward said way. You see me? So far, you know what I mean, we see like Ding Dong, Shensi a birthday pass, you know, Wally parties. You see me? But right now, Teejay birthday just passed, and I'm that you see I cut the cake. I'm going to show you that video in a minute. But before that, let me show you Buju. So Buju post this video, and him caption it and say, calling all maroons. So let's take a look at the short clip from Buju.
It is.
So yes, so now here Buju say I'm calling all maroons. So, you know what I mean, report to duty, Rastaman are calling you. Alright, so speaking about birthdays now, the man will send the most birthday greetings in the last, just, let's say last 2 weeks alone. You know what I mean? Could have covered what most of us send for the whole entire year. And that's Ramesh. Even today, I want him nether co-worker, team member birthday. Calfani, the producer, who produced the song them for like Ding Dong shoulder for your fling on them song there. You see what I say? Calfani birthday today, so happy birthday to Calfani. You see me and Ramesh big him up said we because Ramesh key producer. One off Ramesh key producer that. You see me? So big up Calfani on his birthday. But now me go show now what Teejay going with. So it look like Teejay get a cake. You know his birthday a day before yesterday, which was Saturday. And it look like him get the cake yesterday or so. I don't know, or maybe upon the same day. But however, there's a video that he posted on his IGTV. So may have that video for you. So let's take a look at that video. Here goes.
We're not going on outside, I'm going to face now.
Hey, turn your camera nice. See my camera looks so.
See Sunday I come up now.
That nice. Ready?
Up that game. Big chip, the guy in big chip. Alright, let's do it around.
It's here for a while.
Boy, I'm mad for the
It's here for a while. You're crazy, right?
After this decoration?
Yeah, this decoration is that can eat a cake.
Chippy!
Boss, a choppy.
Hold on, I'm giving a stand there. Hold on now. Cake, Mike.
Yeah.
Yo! Yo!
Big trip, oh, big trip. Big trip, we got it. Big trip, we got it.
Yo!
Ah, no!
Yeah, I keep it at
Yes, I love this cake.
the
Cake.
yeah, get that baby. No, son, not that decoration, that no decoration, that.
Yeah man, big up Teejay. Teejay say I first him I get cake. So see me I showing the people, it's like the other year them everybody, you know what I mean, every year your birthday, but this year 2020 there's a special focus. The people them were really never celebrate or not, them kind of like, you know, them must celebrate this year, them acknowledge and I say alright, I'm a earth strong. Make me be grateful and thankful. So it look like I just this the nature of 2020. You see me, cause we really realize everything what we have and know, the whole of the ears them coming, you know what I mean, forward in front of the whole of the ears them, like you can just taken away from us in an instant. Because 2020 teaches a lot of life lessons. You see me, the things that we take for granted, like just going anywhere we want to go and stay out as long as we wanted. You know what I mean? We can't really do it like that again. Or at least if you do it now for a while in a 2020, you could do that. You see me? And like me that say, Ramesh send all heap of greetings. Like the artists them have birthday just close, like almost every other day or so. Artists celebrate them birthday and more left to come. Cause like Jack your birthday forward and him do a video, I go show you that. Somebody that you actually look up if Ramesh birthday gone yet. Now I couldn't find the exact day, but I find some party where around October 28 and 27, you know what I mean, all the way from 2011 and them hours there. So I definitely can say in October, you know what I mean, the end of October, Ramesh born. We don't know the exact date, we're going to find out, you see me? But we know say when a Ramesh birthday, a whole heap of people are going to link up and probably give him gift or whatever because him a represent for everybody. So, like I say now, Jack Cure did a video. So, Jack Cure reach out to everybody who born October 11. So, that's Jack Cure birthday, October 11. And him say, him a go do a little celebration. Him a get a private island off a Negril course. So, if you're born October 11, link up Jack Cure. I go make the video, make you see the video and hear him say. Alright, look.
Happy birthday, whether you're an artist or you're a tomatist. Saying, I don't know, big respect. And anyone in Jamaica born October 11, join me. My response for the day, me take it around. It's a Libra gang me a build. Libra Nation, Libra season. If you're born October anywhere in the world and you want to come to Jamaica to have a good time, I'm doing my birthday in Negril. I'm going on an island by myself, me and my Libras. So you can all join us October 11. It's not an advertised party, but it will be in Negril and somewhere on an island. So if you come on Negril, can just ask anybody, so where Jack Kira keep the party. See, they come party with us, fresh seafood, lobster, everything, fresh drinks, the best ganja smoke, everything. You see me, I say? You don't know, happy birthday, Mr. Tony. You know the Benz yellow? You know me love the yellow, you understand?
Yellow upon yellow.
Yellow upon yellow, yeah. Yellow. Yeah, man,
Don't price increase,
Yeah, man, people, no joke. So I tell you, everybody just thankful for life in a 2020. It look like everybody just glad say they make it to them birthday in a 2020. And you know what I mean? Because we know how the story I go. We know we're well tense right now with all of the time we're going globally. You see what I say? It's not just this pandemic. Other things are going also to, you see me I say, all kind of racial injustice and all kind of other things are going. So it's just a little thing where everybody have to ease their mind and say, yo, I'm a hurt strong, but just I go take that day and vibe. Adapt me and make a fight. You see what I say out of this. So this is just my opinion. So if you feel otherwise, put in the comment section. But you know what I mean, if you celebrate your Earth Strong today, you have your birthday for the ladies, they will see me and say happy birthday. You see me and say. And if it a forward soon, big up on yourself and celebrate when it comes and happy birthday when it comes. You see me and say. So everybody have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is. If it's your first time on this channel, you know what I mean, and you like this video, please subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching and keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Thank you for watching, everybody. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.